Hi everyone, it's svgcoop.com and we are working on our newest mini album, MA020, and we're going to be working right now on the outside cover of our book. So what you're going to do is you're going to cut 2 pieces of 9x9 chipboard and 3 pieces of 4x9 chipboard, and this is different than what we normally do, so just be aware. So again, it's 2 9x9s and 3 4x9s, and we're also going to need some heavy-duty magnets. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to cut the first set of files. It's MA020-001, I think. And we're going to, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cover the 2 9x9 pieces like we normally do, you know, as a gift. So I'm just gonna, you're gonna have a piece that has 4 score lines around each side. So I'm just gonna fold those. And if you've been with me a while, this is old hat, this part. And just gonna give that a good little rub. And as you guys know, I always forget my scraper. I leave it in the other room. So eventually I'm going to have to go get that. But, okay, so I'm going to use some score tape again. I'm using the score tape that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to put some score tape along the back of my chipboard. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I know I did that already. I'm going to put it on the inside of the flaps here. I don't know what I was thinking there for a second. It's old hat, and yet I forget myself. Okay. Okay. So we'll get that around all 4 sides. I'm actually going to just pull this tape off that I put on here. And I'm going to stick this right inside, so you can see. And we're just going to take the tape off and wrap this around. We're doing the whole outside black this time rather than using pattern paper, because we're going to do, it's going to be a little bit unique, this one. Okay, so then you're going to have a 9x9 piece that will sit right on top. So I'm just going to put some score tape on here. And we're just going to stick that on like that. Just get that lined up on the corners. Okay, we're going to do that again. Our other 9x9 piece. And of course, if you want to, you can fast forward past this part, because we're just going to do exactly what we just did. Okay, I'm going to give that a good little rub. piece in here if we want to. And then our 9x9 piece. Okay, we're going to get that lined up like that. Okay, then you're going to also have something similar with one of the 4x9 pieces. So we're going to take that and we're going to fold it. It's just like doing the 9x9s, only it's on a smaller piece. I'm going to stick that in there just like we did the other one. Okay, then you're going to have a piece that fits right on top, so we'll cover that. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take one of our 9x9s and you're going to have 4 sets of paper that are 6x9, and then you're going to have 11.5 by 6. So we're going to take one of the 11.5s by 6 and we're going to put some tape all the way around it. And we also want to put a couple of strips down the middle like this. Okay, give that a good little rub. And you can go ahead and pull the tape off of all those pieces. You can also run this through your Xyron if you want to, or you can use glue, whichever way you like to do it. Okay, what we want to do is we're going to take our 4x9, one of our ones that's not covered, and you're just going to kind of center that in the piece. Okay, give that a good push. And then we're going to use the other piece. I'm just going to stick it as a placeholder on the side here. This is like we've done our covers before. And we're just going to stick our 9x9 lined up with that so it'll open. And then we're going to stick our other 9x9 piece on the other side. So I'm just going to hold this and do the same. Get that lined up. That. Okay. And we're going to fold the top piece over from the bottom. Okay, and then just give it a little testing fold here so the paper can crease properly. Okay, and then you can take your 6x9 piece and we're just going to place that over there like that. So let me get some tape here. I'm just going to put it along the outside. I think I'm actually going to put a couple of strips down the middle here also, just so it holds better. Okay, so I'm just going to line this up and get that stuck down and give it a good rub. Get it in the creases there so you know where the fold is going to be. And then we're just going to gently fold it on both sides. Okay. Alright, now you're going to have the 9x9, the 4, and the 9. And now we're going to attach the next 4x9. So we're going to do the same thing with the 6x11.5 here. I'm going to put tape all around. And then a couple of strips in the middle. Good rub and then pull the tape off. Now be sure you use the one that is not covered for this piece, for the middle. Okay, so again we're going to just center this on here. I'm trying to get this all in here, but you're just going to take this and try and center it the best you can. You can actually measure it if you want to. And then we're going to take our little piece that we did cover, and I'm just going to use that as a base for separating this. And I'm going to attach my 9x9 piece here, like that. And then we're going to have to, I'm going to stick this in like that. And then I'm just going to fold it over a little, just to give it a little room, like that. And we're going to take our covered piece and just lay it right down. Okay? And then we're going to fold this over like we did before. going to just give it a little practice fold. This is a little bit similar to our wedding book, but it's going to be different. It's just kind of got a little bit of a similar feel. All right, and then we're going to put some paper here. Some tape, sorry, paper. Oy. Summer just started and I think my brain is already on summer mode. Okay. At least for us in New Jersey, summer just started. And I'm going to put 2 strips down the middle. And pull the tape off. Okay, we're just going to line that up. And get that stuck down. And we're just going to get a little practice fold in here. And then here as well. Okay, so then what we're going to do, this is going to close like this. So what we want to do is we're going to put a magnet under here. I'm just going to put it right in the middle. I'm putting this, so we have the 9, the 4, the 9, 4, 4. So I'm going to put it in the last 4 here, right in the center. And what I want to do is stick the other one on the same side, but on the 9. So I'm going to fold this over. I have magnet in my fingers. I'm going to fold this over the way right where I want it. And then I'm going to let the magnet go underneath. So I just let it go. And so now, oh shoot. What I need to do actually. Okay, so I need to put the sticky tape on this side. Again like this. Okay, and with the sticky side up, I'm going to let it go. And now it's stuck right where it needs to be. You just give it a little press. Okay, so that is going to be the outside of our next book. All right, thanks for watching. We'll be back with the next steps.